In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot of a web page in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture what you see on a page and save it as an image on your computer, with a few tips to make the result look great. Start by opening the Brave browser and navigating to the web page you want to capture. Give the page a moment to fully load and adjust the zoom if needed so that the important part of the page is clearly visible. If you're capturing text or small details, zooming in a notch or two can make your screenshot easier to read later. Next, look toward the top of the window near the address bar for the share icon. It's typically to the right of the URL and looks like a small arrow or share symbol. If your window is very narrow, maximize it so the icon appears. Click that share icon to open Brave's sharing menu. In the menu that opens, choose the screenshot option. This brings up Brave's built-in capture tool right on top of the page you're viewing, so you don't need any extensions or separate apps. The screen will dim slightly, and your cursor will change to indicate you're in capture mode. Move your mouse to the area you want to capture. Click and drag to draw a box around the exact portion of the page you need. As you drag, you'll see the selection boundaries update in real time, so take a moment to frame it neatly. If you change your mind, simply release and drag again to redefine the area. You can also hover over specific elements to align your selection more precisely, which is helpful for grabbing a section like a headline, an image, or a single panel without extra clutter around it. If you need to cancel at any point, press Escape and start over. Once you're happy with the selection, look for the on-screen controls that appear with your capture. Click Download to save the screenshot. By default, Brave will place the file in your computer's Downloads folder, using a time-stamped name. If your system asks where to save, pick a folder you'll remember and consider giving the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. After the download completes, you can open it from your Downloads bar or your file manager to double-check the result. That's it. Open Brave, use the share icon, choose Screenshot, select the area you need, and download your image. With these steps and a bit of careful framing, you'll capture clean, useful screenshots every time.